At the end of the day, how is the jury going to get there when they have a baby Evelyn's legs popping out of a trash can? They'll know that. They'll have that in their notebook when they're debating. Once the trial is done, it really comes down to the closing argument of the defense attorney, how well of a job they do when they get there, how well can they bring in a witness that show that their client loved her daughter, she was broken up. At the end of the day, it also comes down to lying, right? I think they should have an expert that can come in and testify as to why a person would lie and explain that a person lies because of childhood trauma, things growing up, and they feel that their fight or flight response is to lie when they're nervous, even if they've done nothing wrong. An expert could come in and say, people lie over all kinds of things when they become an adult because of trauma they had when they were a kid. And she made a mistake. Her kid died unintentionally. She was very nervous. She didn't know how to handle it, right? So I think a judge would have been a good absorption of that type of evidence and been able to really consider it. I think you're still asking a jury for way too much. The lying, the deceit, the changing of the story, which, by the way, the defense are going to say she didn't change her story. That's a whole separate thing. But I think that you're asking a jury for too much.
Interesting analysis, Michael. Michael Jaafar, thank you so much. We're going to have more from the Baby Evelyn murder trial from Megan Boswell in Tennessee when we come back. You're watching Court TV, your front row seat to justice.